Thanks for checking back into KJRH.com. It's time for your B&B weather update. Why B&B? I'm Brett.
I'm Brittany.
There you go.
The B&B.
Yeah, it's not a bed and breakfast. We don't make anybody dinner, meals, breakfast, or anything like that.
I sometimes bring cupcakes, but that's about it.
You do? Why do you have a jacket?
Because it's going to be cold. It's going to be feeling like fall, which doesn't start until September 22nd. But we're going to be feeling like it over the next couple of days.
Especially since we've been in the 90s. We were like 96 on Tuesday. Get a load of the temperatures here. The cold front came through Wednesday, and it dropped to the south. And so we wake up Thursday, temperatures are in the 50s. And Thursday afternoon's only in the upper 70s.
It's going to feel very refreshing. And then we get this second push of cooler air. You can see that really settling down. That's going to bump our temperatures on Friday even lower, mainly looking at the upper 60s, or lower 60s, mid 60s. It's going to be chilly.
Yeah, it really is. For high school football, Jenks Union kicking that game off. If it's 59 at 11 o'clock, people will need coats and sweaters and sweatshirts.
You may even want the blankets, because it's also going to be a little bit breezy as well.
Now, here's the part I like, the dew points, which I think has been kind of humid lately. You don't agree?
No, my hands are still cracking. We could use more humidity.
But I like the fact that it's dropping into the 50s, and I think bikers and runners will appreciate this. You got to work a little harder to sweat a little more.
Well, that is always a good thing.
Yeah, and the winds, how about cracking open the windows for this?
That's going to be awesome. Save a little bit on your electric bills.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 to 20 miles an hour right on through Friday, so that'll feel nice.
That's what always makes it feel like fall. I noticed that this morning. When the winds start picking up and they're out of the north, that's when you really start feeling like fall.
And we just want to put this all in perspective by giving you a look at the average highs and lows. 86, the average high, 65, the average low.
So we're going to be closer to the average low for our daytime highs on Friday, just to give you an idea.
That's a nice little smack of fall air.
Yes, I would say. I think you all will enjoy it, and we also have some rain chances, so that's always a good thing as well.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching the B&B Weather Update. I'm Brett.
I'm Brittany.
Have a great day.
Goodbye.